Hello, this is Robert McKim, president and founder of the Community Awareness and Emergency Response Security Radio Patrol organization. Well, I'm outside checking things out, and so far I don't see no wind damage whatsoever. And to my trailer, to my porch, it's still holding up. Everything's still fastened like it's supposed to be. Yes, we've been having wind gusts of 30 mile an hour, sustained around 15 to 20. But I think, I'm not sure, been limbs coming down or what's been coming down here at the end of our driveway. People's siding on their trailers have been coming undone, and so I see they're doing something down here at the end of our driveway. So I'm going to walk down here and see what's going on. I got road crew down here. Cutting, it sounds like they're cutting up a tree. Right at the end of our driveway down here to our trailer park. As you can see down there, not sure what tree fell. I think a tree fell. Not sure what tree fell. Looks like on the other side of the road. So yeah, I think our street down here. Okay, I think it's a tree that was over there on the other side of the road. Had fell. So they got the street department, I do believe, or county, down here to clean it up. So right now, 12th Street is blocked off right now, blocked. Nobody can go up or down 12th Street. Saw the front end loader there, but they got forks on it from my window, and I'm like, okay, a tree must have fell. One of those old pine trees there fell. Oh yeah, they was using I thought they was using the front end loader, that bucket, and now they put the forks on. So yeah, 12th Street right now is blocked off right here by our driveway, because a neighbor's tree fell honestly, they should have them blocked off way up the road, really. Because they just got blocked off right here and right there. I'm not sure they got anything set up there. Oh yeah, I got a sign way up there. They're working hard, they're getting it cleaned up. The village of Carrollton Street Department is cleaning up this tree that had fell. So I'm going to get off of here and get back home so I can post this video. Just a minor siding, I should say skirting damage to some of my neighbors' trailers, and then basically right now nobody can go anywhere in or out of the trailer park until they get that cleaned up. People's trash can lids are laying around different places. So I'm going to sign off here for now and get back home here so I can post this video. So yeah, my trolls will know, and other people that follow me, other people that are good, decent citizens that do not troll me or harass me for what I do, will know what's going on. God bless you. Have a safe day.